I will be playing Animal Jam Play Wild. And yeah, this is episode 1. Make sure you guys leave a like if you guys want me to play more. Okay, I'm gonna start a new account. I just found Animal Jam, and you guys know we're obviously gonna go pick a wolf instead of the monkey or bunny, because we like wolves. We like wolves. It's okay, we're just gonna do a random. Legit. Okay, legit. We're gonna have his name legit. Legit Rocky Jim. Legit Rocky Jim. Legit Rocky Fox. No. Rocky Foot. Rocky Flower. Rocky Fire. Legit Rocky Fire. Sounds good. Man, we're playing Animal Jam. Ouch. My tablet fell. Alright, welcome to your new home. My name is Peck, and I'll show you around. Follow me. Okay. Alright. I'm ahead of you. You're here. Everyone's so happy. Oh, here is Jamma. Everyone has their own unique style. Let's customize yours. Okay. Oh, I like that one dragon so much. Okay. Legit Rocky Fire. But guys, you can choose and combine lots of different colors. Ooh. I want them to be like that. Then I want like, oh, his eyes, they're definitely gonna be like cyan, if you guys know what I mean. His fur here is gonna be like, dark like that. Where's that's the collar. Exit from there. Type. No. Okay. What's this? Oh, designs. No, I don't want any designs on him. So right now. See, there he is. Tap on the corner to exit. Hey. Wait, I'll read what these guys are. What a great color. You look amazing. Wow. To show others how you are feeling, click the emote button and then choose your favorite emote. Okay. Today I am feeling happy. And I know just what you mean. Hey, look, free stuff. Ooh. Ooh, gems. I got 1,000 gems. Look at all those gems. How many did you find? There are a lot of gems. Wow. Awesome. And then it says, you will find, there are games, adventures, party shops, and so much more. Okay. I think you're ready to explore on your own. This way to Jamma. Who's Jamma? I don't know Jamma. Guys, it is raining right now. You guys want to hear peaceful rain? Here. Peaceful rain. Okay, we're gonna go to shop for new clothes, or should we go to your den? Let's go shop for new clothes, I guess. I just downloaded the game, guys. Oh, Princess Cutemon and Sleeping Desert Flower. Let's go to view. Oh, these are actually real people. That's cool. I didn't know this thing was an online game. Online game. What? Oh, what are we gonna do? Oh yeah, dance. Oh yeah, dance. Hey, I'm new here, guys. See that? What should I do? Oh, should I go do this ring? Jump. Sit. Sleep. Where's my house? I am new, guys. Can I pick a new emote? Okay, today I said that one. Oh, I'm only gonna do one once per episode. Actually, I do 2 per episode, and then yeah. So I'm feeling cool, stylish, and yeah. Where's the den? Where's my den? Ooh, what's this? Even though bamboo may look like trees, it's actually a type of grass. I don't really want to read about bamboo right now. I'm just trying to play a game. So we're gonna go to our house. No idea. I'm not sure. Welcome to your den. Tap the den to customize the bottom. Customize your den. I mean. Okay. Tap the bottom. My den. What is this? Ooh. I can get a couch. There. Then there's gonna be a paw rug. Yeah, right there. Okay, and I get some more cool stuff. Oh, beanbag chair. Of course, you need a chilling beanbag chair over there. Then we're gonna get a nice pillow over here for me to sleep on. There. Pretty flowers. I'll put this in the corner because that looks nice. Okay, that's it. There. Okay. Some more furniture. Okay, we got all the furniture. What's this? Your dens. Small house. Okay. What should we name this one, guys? I'm gonna name it... I don't know yet. Well, guys, I didn't know you can look around by doing that. Hello, so, yeah, I have to go back. Come back soon. Let's go see if someone wants to trade. I just started this, guys. Let's get out of here. Let's go back to the world. Right, and we're gonna head to Mount Shiver. I'm gonna end this at 10 minutes. So it's 7 minutes right now. Yeah. Let's tell them let's trade. Let's trade. I'm gonna ask, let's trade. Or you can just leave. The hot cocoa machine. Okay, fine, we'll play hot cocoa machine. Then we're gonna end this episode. Make you guys stay tuned for next episode. Okay, so do we pick one? Yeah. We'll get a green one. Ooh, okay. There. Okay. Okay, pick. Whoa. We're gonna have some vanilla. They're gonna need a straw. Enjoy. Okay. It's almost 10 minutes. Hello, fountain. I'm gonna see if I have someone else to trade. Let's trade. Dude, why you swipe me? Dude. What? Oh yeah, you want to see? You think you're sneaky? Well, I don't know. I feel cool. Oh, why you sad? Why you sad? Well, I guess we're gonna go venture around a bit more before we end this video. Cause, oh, we're gonna end it really soon. Let's get a cool place for the thumbnail. I'll check out that notification I got. See, we'll be right by the Maverick looking thing. Well, it looks like Maverick. Okay, like Maverick from Logan Paul. But this is the end of this video, guys. Make sure you guys like and subscribe if you'd like to see more. Bye!